Welcome back to my channel Miss Medicine. This video is about super 30 points of medicine. If you are new here, subscribe to the channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. So the first point is most common cause of hemoptysis in India is TB. Hemoptysis means blood in sputum, and in world is bronchogenic carcinoma. FEV1 and FVC is decreases in obstructive lung diseases and normal or increased in restrictive lung diseases. Excellent bronchoreversibility or increase in FEV1 more than or equal to 12% after beta-2 agonist inhalation. Strongest association of ABPA with bronchial asthma. Strongest association of aspergilloma with tuberculosis. Cartagner's syndrome is triad of bronchiectasis, sinusitis, and situs inversus. Landolfi's sign is pulsation of pupil with each heartbeat. Hill's sign is higher BP in legs than in arms. Demusat's sign is head nodding with each heartbeat. Gerhard's sign is pulsation of spleen with each heartbeat. Galavardian phenomenon is seen in senile aortic stenosis. Gadsden score is used for quantifying coronary calcium. Hydrocortisone is the drug of choice for acute adrenal insufficiency. H2O deprivation test is used to differentiate between diabetes insipidus and psychogenic polydipsia. Jodh-Pesto effect iodine supplement to patient with low iodine exposure for long time will show hyperthyroidism. Cabergoline is the drug of choice for hyperprolactinemia. Most common cause of anemia in CKD is APO deficiency. Microalbuminuria is the early and sensitive marker of diabetic nephropathy. Gross hematuria is seen in IgA nephropathy. Novel markers for acute kidney injury are KIM1, NGAL, cystatin C, and interleukin 18. Triad of Alport syndrome includes renal failure, sensory neural hearing loss, and lenticonus. Most common cause of glomerulonephritis in India is PSGN. Pulmonary renal syndrome is seen in Goodpasture syndrome. ADPKD type 1 is autosomal dominant on chromosome 16 and type 2 is autosomal recessive on chromosome 4. Polyarteritis nodosa is associated with hepatitis B. Cryoglobulinemia. Polyarteritis nodosa is associated with hepatitis B. Cryoglobulinemia is associated with hepatitis C. Klinke criteria is a prognostic criteria used in liver failure which uses factor V levels. Smoking is associated with decreased risk of developing primary sclerosing cholangitis and ulcerative colitis. Screening test of choice in Wilson's disease is urinary free copper level. Liver appears black due to deposition of melanin-like pigment in Dubin-Johnson syndrome. Best drug for primary pulmonary hypertension is bosentan. Most common cause of pulmonary thromboembolism is lower limb DVT, deep vein thrombosis. Thrombolytic window period for pulmonary thromboembolism is 14 days. Thrombolytic window period for stroke is 4.5 hours. Thrombolytic window period for MI is 6 hours. Ascending type of sensory motor loss occurs in extramedullary lesions. Descending type of sensory motor loss occurs in intramedullary lesions. Hemiparesis is due to middle cerebral artery lesion. Most common site of hypertensive intracranial hemorrhage is basal ganglia. Neurofibrillary tangles are always intercellular, seen in Alzheimer's disease. Atrophy of coded nucleus is seen in Huntington's disease. Deja vu strongly associated with mesial temporal lobe epilepsy. Charlie Chaplin gait is seen in tibial torsion. Kaplan's syndrome is a combination of rheumatoid arthritis and pneumoconiosis that manifest as intrapulmonary nodules. Felty syndrome characterized by triad of rheumatoid arthritis, splenomegaly, and neutropenia. Apla syndrome is associated with thrombocytopenia, not thrombocytosis. While loop lesions are characteristically seen in class 4 of lupus nephritis, Kerry-Coombs murmur seen in rheumatic fever, Austin-Flint murmur seen in severe aortic regurgitation, fascinating gait is seen in Parkinson's disease. First sensation to get lost in diabetic patient is vibration. Tumor lysis syndrome includes hyperuricemia, hyperkalemia, and hypocalcemia. First hormone to replace in Sheehan syndrome is cortisol. Most common cause of Cushing disease is pituitary adenoma. Most common cause of Cohen syndrome is adrenal adenoma. Gram-Still murmur is seen in pulmonary regurgitation. Carvalho sign seen in tricuspid regurgitation. High sensitive C-reactive protein is better predictor of CAD, coronary artery disease risk. Becker's sign, presence of visible pulsations of retinal artery. Corrigan sign, dominant carotid artery pulsations. Mueller signs, pulsation of uvula with each heartbeat. Martel's or G sign, tophi appear as characteristics punched out cysts or deep erosions with overhanging bony edges. Most common implicated agent in reactive arthritis is chlamydia. Serum rheumatoid factor is an IgM antibody directed against the Fc fragment of IgG. Rheumatoid arthritis is most strongly associated with class 2 MHC allele HLA-DR4. Keratoderma planohorragica is the characteristic skin lesions of reactive arthritis or Reiter's syndrome. Rosary bead sign on arteriography is seen in polyarteritis nodosa. Best assess for hemodialysis is the production of Simona fistula. Most common cause of traveler's diarrhea is ETEC. Rom-Secking criteria is used for irritable bowel syndrome. Most common cause of non-infectious diarrhea is drug intake. Pyoderma gangreosum is seen in ulcerative colitis. Most common cause of fulminant hepatitis in pregnancy is hepatitis E. CURB-64 score is used for pneumonia. Farmer's lung is used by thermophilic actinomyces. Asbestosis increases the risk of adenocarcinoma in lungs and mesothelioma in pleura. Pim-Silsbeck test is specific for sarcoidosis. Discriminative interstitial pneumonia is exclusively seen in smokers. Most common lung cancer in India is squamous cell carcinoma and in world is adenocarcinoma. First and most common muscle involved in myasthenia gravis is ocular muscle. Most common cranial nerve involved in GBS is seventh nerve. Guillain-Barré syndrome. Gower sign positive in Duchenne muscle dystrophy. Uthoff sign is seen in multiple sclerosis. Cobweb appearance is seen in CSF in tubercular meningitis. Most epileptogenic stroke includes embolic, then hemorrhagic and thrombotic. Bradycardia is most common in inferior wall MI, whereas tachyarrhythmias are most common in anterior wall MI. Radiation of pain towards trapezius muscle is characteristic of pericarditis. Reverse stick or hockey stick appearance in ECG is suggestive of digoxin effect. Sine wave pattern or sine wave pattern in ECG is seen in severe hyperkalemia. Beck's triad of cardiac tamponade includes hypotension, raised JVP, and muffled heart sounds. Glago phenomenon, arteries remodeled to maintain constant flow despite increase in atherosclerotic mass.